you want to purchase a FlexiRoam Data Roaming Plan, you can use the FlexiRoam app or website to do that. Let's walk through the simple steps. Step 1. Open your web browser and go to FlexiRoam.com. Step 2. Search for your travel destination. Step 3. Select from our range of local, regional, and global plans with fixed and unlimited data packages to suit your travel needs. Step 4. Add your desired data plan to your cart. When you're happy with your cart, proceed to checkout. Step 5. Log in or create a FlexiRoam account to complete your purchase. You will be redirected to your cart to complete your purchase. Friendly tip: make sure you've checked if your device is eSIM compatible. In case you need a physical SIM, FlexiRoam got you covered. Step 6. Select your preferred payment method. We accept all major payment providers for your convenience. And that's it. You will receive a confirmation email with step-by-step instructions to activate your eSIM and data plan. Pro tip: download the app and log in to track your usage and manage your account anytime, anywhere. Great! You've decided to download our app. Thank you for giving us space in your phone and making us your travel companion. Here's how you can purchase a plan via the FlexiRoam app. When launching the app for the first time, FlexiRoam app will automatically do a device compatibility check. If it is compatible, you can proceed to purchase your eSIM data plan seamlessly. If not, don't worry. We offer SIM options for a small fee that can be shipped right to your door. Next, you will be redirected to the homepage after device compatibility check. You can input your destination and we will share our recommended plan to match your travel needs. Select your desired data plan and add it to your cart. When you're happy with your cart, proceed to checkout. Step 4. Log in or create a FlexiRoam account to complete your purchase. You will be redirected to your cart to complete your purchase. Step 5. Select your preferred payment method. We accept all major payment providers for your convenience. Pro tip: if you have a promo code, make sure to redeem that before you complete your purchase. And that's it. You will see your purchase plan on the account section of the FlexiRoam app. You will also receive a confirmation email with step-by-step instructions to activate your eSIM and data plan. Do more with the app and track your usage and manage your account anytime, anywhere. If you need more assistance, please contact our support team and they'll be happy to help. It's that simple. Stay connected wherever you go with FlexiRoam. Visit FlexiRoam.com or download the app and purchase your data plan today.